Okay, welcome. This is the introduction to row mobility or 5 animal mobility. And the 5 animal mobility is our life movement patterns that we have in functional fitness, which also relates to traditional Chinese elements, or the 5 elements of the wood, fire, earth, air / metal, and also water. Now they correspond to a movement pattern, which we use yoga full asanas to express that movement pattern in a range of motion. And we use those as our assessment, and then we break them down into segment parts along the fascial line or a meridian line or just a length of different isolated muscles, and then we build them back up into those movements. Now, so if you have a look at our Rome cycle, the wood is the squat or the tiger, the fire is the twist, which is the dragon, the bear is the earth, which is the bend, the crane is the metal, and also air is the element, and we use that as the push, and the monkey is the water and the pull. And the different movement patterns we have, or the different yoga asanas, are the overhead squat, which I'll demonstrate for the tiger, so the overhead squat. For the dragon is the revolved triangle. For the bear, it's the forward bend. For the crane, it's warrior 1. For the monkey, it's warrior 2. So what we aim, those movements can be seen in most sport, most activity in life, so we call them life movements, and we can break those down with segmental stretches to gain synergy or accumulation of making those movement postures bigger. Now, what we do in row mobility is we do those assessments at the beginning of the class and at the beginning of the 5 lesson series, and we take a photo. So we have before photos from which to measure and see progress, or not from, but I almost guarantee progress if you do the series even once. Now, so that's the sort of overview. We're aiming to restore range of active movement, which is what Rome is for. Now, so to restore, what we need to restore is posture, but most postures these days, and projecting into the future with everybody texting, is here. So we're aiming to restore alignment and balance to the joints, health to the body, and in our grand scheme of things, the row mobility is in our red category, flexibility, stability, and posture, which equals mobility. We do add in some crawling, because that integrates activation exercises of that particular fascial line or movement pattern. So that's the overview of the row mobility, 5 animal mobility.